Hello everyone, thank you once again for tuning into our YouTube channel. Save Green here. And I wanted to bring this out to you because we're giving you a $15 credit. That's right folks, a $15 credit for signing up with Mint Mobile. Just simply follow the link in the description. It is a promo code that we are including on this video. Just look at it on the video description. Depending if you are on a PC, it might be below. If you are on a phone, it might be, you might have to click on it, it'll show it to you, but click on that promo code, and when you sign up with Mint Mobile, you will get a $15 credit as soon as you get your SIM card in the mail, which is also free. And what we want to show you here on the screen is take advantage of this. When you go to their website, you will see this pop up. It's a chance to win $5,000 sweepstakes. Just put your email address in there, your phone number. If you want to put your phone number, it's optional. And then who is your current wireless provider. So what Mint Mobile's trying to do now is they're trying to see which provider is making it harder to switch over to Mint Mobile. So in order for them to do this, they're collecting your email address. At the same time, when all is done, they're going to pull one of these addresses out of the hat, and if you're the winner, you get $5,000. Simple as that. So give it a shot if you want to do it. But just to go over what they're giving you, let's go over to their plans so you can see what you get. You can get a plan as little as $15 a month with 4 gigabytes of data. You get 5G, and you also get 4G LTE data wherever 5G is not available. By default, if you have a 5G phone, folks, you will automatically get 5G service. If you don't have a 5G phone, you will get 4G LTE data. In this day and age, more and more people have 5G phones, so why not take advantage of it? And you'll get this pop-up if you want a free sample of Mint. This is also something interesting. They will give you a SIM card that will give you 250 megabytes of data and the ability to send 250 texts and 250 minutes of phone service. And they'll give this to you for free, just so you can see if they work in your area. If you get the 5 bars or 4 bars, great. If you don't, you lose nothing. You're getting this for free. So give that a shot. You have nothing to lose. So if you're not a big power user, this plan fits a lot of people. But you got anywhere in between, and then you got, of course, the unlimited plan for power users. You're going to get 5G, 4G LTE data. So again, where you have 5G service, you'll get it. If not, you'll get 4G LTE. Or if you don't have a 5G phone, you'll get 4G LTE. Unlimited, $30 a month, unlimited talk and text, nationwide coverage, and like we talked before, 5G where it is available. So what you get, if you want to purchase it, you just proceed there. You try it out for 3 months, $30 a month, so $90 at once. You got service for a total of 90 days. After that, it's up to you if you want to continue with them or not. So again, if we look over on this side here on the $30 a month, the unlimited plan, after you go over 35 gigabytes of data, you're going to get lower speeds. But then again, that's after 35 gigabytes of data. If you look at companies like AT&T and Verizon, they're actually capping you off at 22 gigabytes a month of data. And then this also will give you hotspot. A lot of companies will not give you hotspot, but they are. They're giving you hotspot. So that's a cool thing. We go back to the home page. You can also, once you're in there, you can bring your own phone if you have one. If you want to buy a new phone, you can do that too. And they do have newer phones on there as well. There's a calculator here that will show you how many lines you need and how much you're paying now, and it'll calculate how much you will save. And then, of course, you can start looking at their reviews, folks. They got 4.5 stars from Google, 4.8 on Facebook, 4.3 on Amazon, Target, Walmart, Best Buy, Amazon. And if you want to see more reviews, if you want to check for yourself, 90% of people will recommend it to a friend. I'm one of those 90%. I recommend Mint Mobile to everyone that I can because I've been on them since December of 2017. And since December of 2017, I have not had to make one single phone call to them or a text or whatever to their tech support or anything for any issues at all. Nothing whatsoever. And during this time, we've lived in different places on the East Coast and on the West Coast. And their service has been spectacular. I'm raving about them because I'm speaking from experience. So check them out, check out their reviews, and see for yourself. Again, you have nothing to lose. If you want to try them out for free, they will send you a SIM card to you where you can try 250 minutes, 250 text messages, and 250 megabytes of data. So you can see for yourself if they're right for you or not. So if in your area you pop in the SIM card that's totally free and you get absolutely no signal, then of course you might not want to stay with them. But if you do get a great signal and you start calling a friend, a family member, texting people, surfing the web for the little 250 megabits of data that you'll have, or megabytes of data, then that will help you decide if you want to go with them or not. But give them a shot. You can also see their coverage. And one thing of note here is wherever, as a general rule, wherever T-Mobile gets signal, you're going to get signal with Mint Mobile. And now that T-Mobile and Sprint had merged as of last year, as of 2020, it just makes sense to switch over to Mint Mobile because you're not going to be under contract, you're not going to be subject to any credit checks, and you're going to get the same exact signal that you would get with T-Mobile, who now, by the way, owns all of Sprint towers. So you're going to get their service just about anywhere. It's a no-brainer, and if you use the promo code that we're attaching to this video, we will give you an extra $15 off the already low prices from Mint Mobile. So go ahead, give them a shot. Follow the code that we're going to send on the bottom of this video, or depends on your device. Just look at the video description, you'll see it on there. Please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.